good morning to all my little champs. Dear students, today we are going to do last chapter of the syllabus and it is our EVS class. In this class we will learn about directions and time. In first class also you have learnt about directions, but today we will learn something more about that. So I hope you will be ready. So directions and time. What is the direction? Actually, the direction is the position towards which a thing or a person points or moves. The position of a thing or a person that may be either left side or the right side, or it may also either on the opposite or front or at the back of a person. If we want to show the direction of a person, we can say, yeah, this is left side, right side, this is in front, it is back side. Okay, so we can say that direction is the position towards which a thing or a person points, or a person or a thing moves. So in this picture you will see there is a boy and he is standing in front of the sun, means his face is towards the sun, and in this picture you can easily see the sun is rising and the sun always rises in the east. So the in front of the boy it is east direction and behind him is the west direction. And as you know that the sun always sets in the west, so the boy's left hand is pointing towards the north side, his right hand is pointing the south. If the boy is standing towards facing his face towards the sun, then his left side is north and his right side is south. So mainly we have four directions: east, west, north and south. The sun always rises in the east direction and it sets in the west direction. Or if we want to remember it very nicely, we can say it is news, NEWS. N stands for north, E stands for east, W stands for west and S stands for south. When there is no sun, what we can do? We find these direction with the help of a compass. Every time you can't see sun in the sky. So at that time what we will do? We do a compass. With the help of the compass, we can know about the directions. Next is directions in a map. What is a map? A map is the drawing of any place or a city or a country. A map helps us to find out the way. The top of a map is north, bottom that is south, and east is the right side and west is the south. West is to the left of the map. Pole star also help us to know the direction. In the sky there is a special star that is known as pole star. The pole star also helps us to find out the direction because the pole star always shines in the north direction. And you know, every work we do according to the time. If you come to school, you come in the morning, and dinner you take at night, lunch you take in the afternoon. So every work we do according to time. And the sun helps us in finding out the time. The day begins always at sunrise. It is called morning. And after some time we see the sun moves, it is overhead. This time is called noon. And when the sun sets, it is called evening. When the sun sets, it becomes dark and this time is called night. At night we see the moon and stars in the sky and our day is divided into two parts. When there is light, it is called daytime. When there is no light, it is called night time. And a day and a night together make 24 hours. Means in a day there are 24 hours. Let's move further. And then These 24 hours are divided in minutes and seconds. You know very well that a week has 7 days. These are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And a month has 4 weeks. When 12 months comes together, it becomes a year. And a year has 365 days. In a leap year, 1 day is extra, that is, if in that there are 366 days. But how do we know that this year is leap year or not? If we will divide with 4 and there is no remainder, means that is a leap year. But if we are getting remainder, it means that is not a leap year. A leap year comes once in 4 years, and a leap year can be divided by 4. So let's summarize the chapter. Direction help us to find the way if we want to go. There are 4 main directions: north, east, west and south. And the pole star, that also helps us to find out the direction, and the sun also help in finding out the direction. So please read this chapter carefully.